Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we are gonna learn how to do these paper tassels and these paper envelopes. So we'll start off with a strip of paper. There is no particular measurement of making tassel. It should be long enough. Now we'll cut thin strips. Make sure to not cut it in half. Keep 1 centimeter distance from the top. And please excuse my voice. Use the back end of the scissor to give it a curve so that you can turn it easily or the paper will crack. Apply glue and start folding it. I didn't apply glue in the middle. You can do that. It will be more secure. And apply Fevicol in the end, and that's it. Your tassel is ready. I am applying Fevicol at the top to secure it, and I am teasing the strips so that it gives a fuller look. Now I am cutting few more strips. It's easier and more convenient to make 4 or 5 at a time. It takes less time. And I believe in making embellishments and keeping them aside because at the time of making an album or scrapbook, I don't feel like making an embellishments and then do it. I feel lazy, so I prefer it that way. Now I am cutting thin gold strips. This gives a finished look to the tassel. You can use any colored strip or monochrome strips, whatever you like, or you can wrap thread around it. And they are done. I find them so cute. And now the next project, we'll start up with envelopes. First, cut a 10 by 10 centimeter piece. You can take any size, it should be a square. And now cut a piece that fits diagonally inside it, like the way I am showing. Like this. You can keep this inside page as a stencil too. These two you can keep as a stencil so that next time it will be easier for you to make it. Now place the smaller rectangle like this and start folding the outer paper around it, if I make sense. Now cut the corner small triangles. It will give a more defined look to the envelope. You can skip it if you want, that's up to you. And now we stick these envelopes and the shape is done. Now my most favorite part, decorating them. I'll open my pitara and see what I have. So I have this bow which I made in the previous video. If you haven't watched this video, then click on the link in the description box or on the I button. You can add strips, you can add sentiments, you can add flowers, whatever you like. I am giving you 4 examples. You can do many more. These sentiments and these flowers, these little bows and tassels, they make the project look more beautiful. Just keep adding them and give height to them, and they just make your project look much more better. Here I am using a double-sided tape to give it a height. You can use anything, just look what all are going together, which color combinations is going together. You can leave it like that, but I don't like the white inside pages. So I'll add something to the inside also. I'll draw a little small shape of this and I'll cut 4 pieces out of it. And then insert them inside the envelopes. See? They look so pretty. You can keep it like this, you can add a photo inside it, or you can add a written quote inside it, and they are ready to use in any of your projects. So it's done, but I like adding more and more things to it, so I am adding tassels to 2 of them. I keep this tassels lace in various colors. It just changed the look. Pom-pom laces or tassel laces, they are in trend, and for some reason, look at them. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Bye.